Today we are going to update our TikTok profile. We'll use our design from Canva, the profile image that we created. Canva doesn't allow you to use a profile that's banner. So from a mobile phone, download the Canva app, log in using the same credentials. You'll be able to see all your projects. Go to your project, then select the one we created our profile, allow it to load. Then on top you have a button to download, so allow it to completed load. On top you have the second last button, which is an arrow pointing down. That's the download button, so click on it. To give you a summary of your image, then you can save it is a download. Canva will just do the same thing, prepare your image, then save it in the gallery. So allow it to download. We then move to TikTok, so download the TikTok app. There too, there is the main TikTok app and TikTok Lite. You can use either. So let's edit our profile. Click on the profile icon at the bottom. You'll be able to see your profile, then click edit profile. We'll start by changing our photo, so click change photo. Then you can select either take a photo that is you take a real-time photo, or you upload if you have any on the gallery. So we'll be uploading the one that you have downloaded from Canva. You can also upload a video. Create a video, then upload as a profile. We'll be doing this later. So select the image. You can also tap on the image to preview it, then tick at the top, then click confirm. Here you can crop your image, then save. So this will replace the current profile image with the new one. If you're uploading a video, you can just select the video. Next we update our name. So this is the name the followers will see, and also anyone searching for your account will be able to see. So make sure it is catchy and unique, and also aligns with what you're doing. Like mine, I'm doing designs and also fitness and martial arts, so I just create a simple name that anyone can relate with. Once you update the name, then you click save. So this will update your profile. Next we update our username. This is the username that will be attached to our profile link. This is the link we'll be sharing with our client, so make sure it is unique, and you'll be able to see it below. Then save. We then edit our bio. This is where you put the additional details about yourself, what you do, who you are, links to your social media. This is where we'll be adding our link to profile link, and also we'll be giving our contact details just in case anyone wants to do business with us. They can contact us through that email. Then at the bottom you can add Instagram account and link to your YouTube. They'll be added, like you can see that play button for YouTube, so they'll be added on your profile. So next we'll be learning how to take live videos on TikTok, uploading videos we have made with other third-party softwares or recorded ourselves, and also how to upload images and make video out of them, how to use sounds and make a video go viral. That's by using viral sounds. We'll also be adding effects. So we'll be running a lot on TikTok. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also visit my YouTube channel. The link is in the description to see additional tutorials where you can learn new skills. Thank you.